yeah, yeah. You treat one better than one, no. Yeah, yeah. You say she is your pride and joy, and you keep on treating the black one for a toy. Hello, brother man, watch where you stand. The two of them are your daughter, and true one overseas are the one at Jamaica you will love after. Mine you end up turn a papa. The one that you turn away will be the one to bring you water. Yeah. Say this one is your pride and joy. This one is your pride and joy. You put one over the other. No, the two of them is your daughter. You say this one is
right, phone them up.
Popeye, come in, Popeye.
I am here, I'm here.
Have you located the suspect? Over.
I'm at the house right now. I can see shadow moving in the house.
I'm using the satellite now, you know. Over.
I'm going to be sending a girl in there right now to distract them.
We just spot him on the satellite. Over.
Listen to me, like when I sit down in the office and now it's good. I said I'm going to send somebody in there to distract them.
Okay, okay. Over.
Okay, out and done.
that's about that. When I got 19 I come in. I'm can't wait to job for that. Give me a second. No. Check out one on the phone now. I patrol for 19. So look at sound yesterday. I put in the
Yes, I see shadows moving.
Come again, Sergeant, didn't hear that.
I think I have located the place and I see shadow moving.
Okay, over.
I'm sending the girl now to distract them.
Okay, over. Good night.
Oh yeah.
You know, I laugh, me laugh. For me, game, come in.
Which way you come from?
Round place. Round part, round.
Madam, how you talk to? Oh, I'm good.
Oh, look at that thing.
Dating.
Say what you want me to do.
Come in.
Oh. Like somebody look at her sexy.
Yes, I want to.
Your body up there. You don't want to move your bed?
Don't move.
Open me here, nice. That's all now going on over there. Everything good?
Don't move.
Well, I'm doing business.
Go on, man. Go. What's up?
Get up, out of door.
Yo, look now. I know you're there for your mission. But me I go to figure out what happened.
Get up, out of door, because them are come. Me shoot in the boy, go out of door.
Pop it on, how is this?
Don't worry about the cat. Hello, my daughter. There, my daughter. You're part of the mission. Alright, what call you back? Don't move now. Don't move.
No, move on.
Don't you dare move. What you doing now, my daughter?
Hi, what's up?
You good? How far in life?
It's good.
How school?
After class and I'm finished.
And?
Yeah, I passed all my degrees and stuff. I'm coming home.
Where are you, my daughter?
Yes, Daddy.
My joy of pride! Yes! And
So what's up?
my dad, I told man me just stick up my daughter.
Oh, where you going?
Boy, I feel proud. You see how the black man in there yard, my daughter. I want to get rid of your sister, you see man. My pride and joy. Yeah.
I'm coming home soon, Daddy.
Yo, I can't believe you set me up like this. What you know? Look out for me. Me pay you some money.
Me don't want the money.
Me say look out for me now, man.
Boy, keep quiet. Me shoot you, know. Look out for me and turn around, so.
Come in, Papa. Take that.
Come down tomorrow. I want.
My flight is actually next week, Monday, though.
You come off of my phone, please. My pride and joy. The man is scared.
What?
Morning, girls, morning.
I'm Daddy. I'm in the pants there. Why? Yeah, I closed today. Anyways, morning.
Where's your sit your father?
Mistake if you are told to, no.
Don't tell me about stuff. Have manners. Go buy some oil too. Go and take money out of your room and go buy oil now. You have manners.
Which part of money there?
Look on the bed. Have manners. You're good?
Yeah.
No, you come back down here. I want you to be here. I don't need no man here.
Which money I talk about, Daddy?
Me just tell you.
Give me your bottle.
If man want come to see, I don't business.
So if mama come to me, in a business,
I
so
don't-
what about she?
No, she's the most quiet one in here. She's my
Come
friend.
in the youngest one in here.
It's like, you know, you have too much germs. Make a lifestyle.
Where bottle?
You don't need a bottle. I in a bag. I in a bag. When we buy supermarket, we buy a bottle of
So
iron.
me give you one gun shop?
I don't care if you want to fly or you want to run. Just get me some iron.
If you feel it, get it, Daddy.
Pop one in food.
Hey, what them, please.
Girl,
It's not your man, not everybody I talk to.
You keep me your size.
Size my shoes.
Daddy want in here.
Girl, those stop and come angry.
darling, go get the iron. Iron.
Help me, fuck, get it.
Come on.
Lord, have mercy.
You know what you're going to do with him.
Send him my cops. And that's why if you listen to me in time to talk.
Mr. Girl, from me, because if I come back from college, that is not treat me like shit. You see me so I run me. You see all some niggas like on the beach. I'm coming and want to that it. From this girl come back from college in Dobby's mommy start treat me like dog. Come to you come check you. I'm not still on them when I got some bad. I'll go give them. Then come check them. I can't manage up here. Alright, see you later.
Yeah. You treat one better than one. Yeah. You say she is your pride and joy, and you keep on treating the black one for a toy. Hello, brother man. Watch me.
Like she can't come by.
Are your data and true one overseas? Are the one at Jamaica you a love after? Mine you end up done a papa. The one that you turn away will be the one to bring you water. Yeah. Say this one is your pride and joy. This one is your pride and joy. You put one over the other. No, the two of them is your daughter. You say this one is your pride and joy. And when you can't sleep, that's the man in your house to enjoy your pride and joy. Your pride and joy. When you find out what she up to, you're gonna be destroyed. Your pride and joy end up to be Rasta toy. Rasta just a enjoy. Just because you're sleeping, Rasta start sneaking. But no, I'm done. It's all for fun. No, I'm done. It's all for fun. Oh boy, your pride and joy. When you can't sleep, she bring in one boy. Remember, the stone that the builder refused is gonna be.
Girl, I'm fool. I almost reach. Just so. Yeah, I almost reach. I'm come talk to you about the girl right now. The girl looks so. Everything left from everything.
Say good though.
Yeah,
One thing to talk to me about last night though. You never say them things in your mind.
of course. Yes, I'm reaching now.
Alright, so. One link for my boy down the road there, so.
Alright, I'm going to link me.
So. I'm going to link for my boy Jim. And then, after that, I come here and see. You cook today?
Yeah, me, I cook today. You want to eat?
I have to know anything in our fridge up there. Just about something nice.
Alright, now it goes something nice here.
Before I know where to take a bed to me. That's me?
No, I'm not big city, my baby.
No, because you say certain things makes I wonder, if you know.
No, I'm not big city, my baby.
So more do. I go down so and then I come back.
Alright.
One key today. I don't know, I'm sorry, I'm check now. Alright, so later, eh?
Yeah. You good, my friend? You not good at all. To you. My sister just come from college and she get special treatment, everything. I'm not know that. Before I start roughing up everything, I feel everything in my house. So now she want I cook and me I figure her shop. She don't want to do nothing. She just done there every day. And her phone cock up now do nothing. Me I feel do everything. So treat you? Every day, I just stick and type. I see her run and back on the girl.
Girl, don't run with girl. Just keep holy feet. Don't watch your sister already, you see me? See, you just can't watch her. Just make she go on, man. So when time people go foreign, so them go on all the while. We there yard and then go foreign and come back and so them want to treat you like slave. But you don't pay sister, man. Just holy feet, you see me?
Right now, that me forgot trying, but the girl they try to test my feet and I have to lick him down at the house too, you know.
No, so not lick your sister.
Come on, I'm going to walk and talk.
Oh, Patricia, me say me a guy now.
Up a shop me a go to him. Oh. Just can't mind. The girl that is going to come tomorrow, so man. The girl, I just can't mind. I'm so unright, girl. I'm sick and tired. See that it's mine that daddy I want to lick me down.
Girl, Mr. Wally Feet. You
girl-
can't run away. Where can run away, go girl? Make him stay one day, I must alright too. Where your sister? We are going to do?
Better must come.
Better must come, that's all me know. You can't do nothing, girl. You can't fight
Yeah,
with
I
your
just think the
sister.
girl like Cambo run the girl out of the house this
But
morning.
she bright, you could have opened up her hand and give her a box.
And daddy I home, I can push her. I'm going to ask him to go up in the girl face and daddy home, I can run out of the house, go by the aisle. Because, my most prize, like, if not prize the girl, I must kill
No,
him.
my friend, you can't do that. When you prize him and gone, where we go see you. That's not nice, my friend. Just go and hold the feet. You soon get big and go on your own. You understand? You can't do that. You can't poison her or you going to prison.
You know, so I'm going to take a foolish advice to not trouble him, though.
You leave her. And your sister.
Anyways, come on.
Cheat one better than one. Yeah. You say she is your pride and joy, and you keep on treating the black one for a toy. Hello, a man now. Watch where you stand now. The two of them are your daughter.
Alright. Someone will some breakfast. Where's the frying pan? Start getting all down. Shut. I don't know why those shut. hold on, boss. Hold on.
I deal it.
Hold on. Let's see on chat.
I deal it now. I
Yo, alright, you know what I have to say now. You see when you come here, no one did that now?
yeah.
I hope that's what we are going to grieve. You know me?
You know, so my time I don't like out my course, you know.
No man, me had a daughter come, and I don't want no man in there.
Not trouble daughter.
I never say out.
But when the black one there, when they all while, I'm not trouble her.
No man, she wild. She wild long time.
Talking about that, I say she have more my go up the road and I cuss and I know she a cuss about because I don't listen to the argument. But I see from far like the miserable. She and my woman gone up the road, what she gonna do?
I don't know, you know. And I don't really, I said I'm going to buy breakfast still. You can island them sitting there.
Oh, for journey, you know? To walk.
No man, if you walk.
I'm there, I go on what
You
the
don't
time
know manners.
There, what the time.
They are other floors them are broke, you know?
Some days take it back to work.
Yeah! But it tired me up, boy. Tired me out.
Well, I there still, I never run through still, you know.
That's where the ones who in the night come home.
Yeah, so she need that to come back now.
The blonde daughter, the bright one, the intelligent one that want to be a doctor. You see me? So I don't want to future spoil up so.
Alright, so, now job your daughter, man. That's
Yeah. You treat one better than one. Yeah. You say she is your pride and joy, and you keep on.
What in Frankfurt here now? What in Frankfurt here? She's not going to try it. I'm going to get me very finish. Wow. But, that's what in Frankfurt here now.
And true one overseas, I the one at Jamaica you a love after. Mine you end up done a papa. The one that you turn away will be the one to bring.
No, come here, what, father? Why over? I can't imagine like that. It's so far now, I come very far. If you don't get up on our phone, I think you should come meet. But why?
Tash,
Yes, Daddy?
let's have the front so I'm cutting in two. Slice them long way. Where's Brittany?
See you later.
Brittany,
Yes, Daddy.
come here.
Take me on a dragon.
Because you remind me of your mother, you know. Mash the egg when now look at ball and you can throw it through the iPad. You learn to do something.
Girl, let's see what I'm doing.
Don't wait.
Yeah, mother's your sister, she's
How much are we at throwing?
just do an extra egg. Let me know that, right? Because your sister knows.
No, I eat them now one dish.
No! So we can't.
Where's salt?
But when I like salt, where do I put the salt?
That's not my bed.
But open the cover and check if it's the salt you put in that jar. Check if a salt you put in there. Is it salt?
On coffee tea.
No.
You see?
I
Yeah.
don't want my daughter to I don't want she to drink no coffee tea.
You can't drink it, one.
Yeah, if you want to drink it, you drink it. No way.
Where's salt then? And that salt that.
Where's my salt?
That's salt in my bed.
So how you go to shop, go buy egg,
So you don't sound understand.
and you don't buy salt?
Hey! Boy, I never must have known salt.
Alright. Alright, Brittany.
And I'll catch up.
Who will take the $1,000 and go to the shop?
Me?
I said I go buy oil because I know no salt here. You buy head, you go and heat the head without salt.
I see one and cut that.
Yeah.
That means only no one egg then.
You go and heat it, you know?
Yeah, me get direct me do this.
Okay.
Oh.
Yo, you know, see the girl come from college. We're going to go back for go study.
You check in back now?
Yeah, man, she come to that this man go up there and I take in the house. After my virgin, who want a virgin, I'm not to go in there. And grown, what I do, I do this something. And the girl, remember me, I love me after me. Me, I give her my number, me not talk from there.
Yeah, joke, you know, say one long time I did like her after.
You
But she
know.
now makes me.
What me I say? We did like long time, you know that alone. Mind that now. Not about my woman in the sense. I wait tonight. Dancing at why.
You know me not come down saying.
You know what I'm saying? So calm still, not for that reason because you know all the work with showing up there still now. But she will come and tell me details because she wants me tonight still.
Yeah, pull up over there.
Brave enough, you know what I mean? I put on my war
Hold on there.
shorts.
Yeah,
I'm
pull up.
tired.
Yeah, pull up over there.
Yeah.
And soldier over there. You're really brave.
The brave one, you know, she text me, you know, she soon call me, you know.
The man then around pillar.
She soon call me, you know. I bet she call me. I bet she soon.
Man then around.
Yeah, boy, my life is still, you know what I mean? She come with that vibe and energy.
True.
So,
See that?
it's a good thing, I tell you. I tell you, man, I tell you. Hello.
Hello? Yeah, good night. Where you there?
Yeah, man, me here now. But my girlfriend gone sleep. She there bed. I'm bridging there all one reason.
Just come now, me tell you, say I'm asleep.
In my sleep. But by the time I come over there, nothing go wake up.
Look, say I'm asleep.
Show me, say I say now, show me.
Yeah, I'm asleep, man. Come.
Yeah, me see my sleep, but you sure say you not go wake up? Because me I talk about one day, no man, a day. Dangerous things go on, you know.
Me a little. The idea.
Alright, what am I going to do? You can't never do much things because you know my situation is one day and bag of things. So I live out of the house. So let me go on kerchief and want different shots or something I'm grabbing now because we don't have enough choice. I'm going forward now though. Give me some time. Alright? Give me some time. Yo.
But yes, I have to be careful in the car. So it's in a ramp, you know.
Don't worry about that.
You know, fear man.
So my
easy.
no risk. Look, you know where we should not walk in a life.
That's a true skill.
So yo. There is different situations and then when I come back, we put on this year. Just in case nobody see me.
And then you can pull up over there, little sister over there.
No, we not pull up over there. You want to man you after? Ramping shot?
No, man, you got the big one.
No, listen man. Too much rat can't dig a hole. Too all over there to dig. Let me dig. Do one from foreign And just in case the one from yard one get a dig, she get a dig too. What? Look how long it's over there with that one.
They control trace, man. Give me one of them, man. Set the link and pull up tomorrow.
You know what I'm going to do? My woman have a sister. More likely to feel. Calm down.
Do your thing then.
Alright.
There, that's how I go on easy.
Cheap one better than one. You say she is your pride and joy, and you keep on treating the black one for a toy. Hello, brother man, watch where you stand. The two of them are your daughter, and true one overseas are the one at Jamaica you will love after. Mine you end up done a papa. The one that you turn away will be the one to bring you what?
Why do we have to do it in your father room? What do you checking up? Your father now go wake up?
Now wake up, man.
Alright, look out for light.
Yeah. Yeah.
You hungry? I know somebody are going to chill out.
Alright, I said it's sleep.
I know the girl.
Show me in the sleep and make it come and never see her. Just see me end up come down plate and never see her.
Come here, come.
Alright, then I'll work around the leave down.
No, man.
Go there for the first not to leave. Beard. No beard in here, so. So what's your father? I mean beard. No beard and go down. Cause kind of sweaty and all that thing. I mean I want to go man no problem.
So you come back tomorrow night?
You sleep every night, sir?
Yeah.
How are you doing with Jane?
I'm going to give you nothing, man. Stop it down.
Man, I use some chunk tea, you know.
I'm going to give you nothing.
Alright, so what am I going to do? I'll come back tomorrow. Alright?
say about you?
No problem. Mm-hmm. Good.
Oh yeah, come from bathroom. Going back to sleep now? Girl, I see her Friday night. Where do you go? Bathroom. Alright, thank you, but the bathroom, the liar. I'm going to sheet too.
Yeah. You treat one better than one. Oh. Yeah. You say she is your pride and joy, and you keep on treating the black one for a toy. Hello, brother man. Watch where you stand now. The two of them are your daughter, and true one overseas. And the one at Jamaica you will love after.
Hello.
Man, you end up turning a papa. The one that you turn away will be the one to bring you water. Yeah. Hey, this one is your pride and joy. This one is your pride and joy. You put one over the other. No, the two of them is your daughter. You say this one is your pride and joy. And when you can't sleep, that's the man in your house. Enjoy your pride and joy, your pride and joy. When you find out what she up to, you're gonna be destroyed. Your pride and joy end up to be Rasta toy. Rasta just enjoy. Just because you're sleeping.
I said, but I'm very close to us, man.
Can you sit down?
But you know, nobody that me had now for boy next 2 hours for nobody that me had. So I'm kind of hungry now still, no food back cook. What the next thing kind of about?
Because sitting in there can look after.
But him not go wake up.
No. It's a poor boy, you know.
About your sister.
Nah, wait, man.
Alright, so. You will never feel something.
What? Let's go in this one. Yeah.
Yeah. You cheat one better than one. Oh. Yeah. You say she is your pride and joy, and you keep on cheating the black one for a toy. Hello, brother man, watch where you stand. The two of them are your daughter, and true one never see. I the one of Jamaica you a laugh after. Man, you end up done a papa. The one that you turn away will be the one to bring you water. Yeah, this one is your pride and joy. This one is your pride and joy. You put one over the other. No, the two of them is your daughter. You say this one is your pride and joy. Now when you can't sleep, that's the man in your house to enjoy your pride and joy. Your pride and joy. When you find out what she up to, you're gonna be destroyed. Your pride and joy end up to be Rasta toy. Rasta just enjoy. Just because you're sleeping, Rasta start speaking. But no, I'm done. It's all for fun. No, I'm done. It's all for fun. Oh boy, your pride and joy. When you can't sleep, she bring in one boy. Remember, the stone that the builder refused is gonna be the cornerstone. Now Rasta taking over your own. Your pride and joy. Your pride and joy. You treat the black one. True, she's the dance one. She's not the foreign one.
something again. Unbelievable. It's a dream. By 37 in the morning, 48, 49, 46, you win the lottery rich. Go back to bed and sleep. I remember those numbers. Rich in the morning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back to bed. It's just a dream. Wait, yeah. Look like you here. Stand up, man.
No man, she not like sleep, but she like fight here for it.
Oh, she fight against it. It's something strong, though. Don't eat it now. Want some?
No man, yeah.
No, no.
Babe, ready? Babes, ready?
Daddy.
A dream, man. Yeah, dream. Dream, a dream.
Oh,
Yeah, dream, a dream.
I do a dream. I'm dead.
Alright. Alright.
I feel like I was dreaming now and ago.
Boa.
You see, the rest of man, I'm not dream. I dream, man, I dream.
A dream.
I dream.
Alright, go back go sleep.
Can't read that time.
Then I dream again.
I only hope.
Girl, get up. We're going rich. I that man.
I say, your daddy friend, right? I say, I dream him, and he give me lot of number. And he say, lot of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get rich.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah!
I tell him for my girl.
He don't want with lotto. You go on. You go on. I'm telling you, we get rich, girl. I'm just get that number. Go and buy that number, doesn't work now. Go and buy it. You go and buy it,
You
get
go
rich.
then you dream.
Alright, I'm win that. Just want to take like my money. Daddy, Mister, your friend, my dream, your friend, Ryan, give me lot of number.
What?
My dream, your friend, Ryan, and he give me lot of number.
When?
Last night,
You know I dream that backside out there?
Mister, my dream, he give me lot of number.
You know I dream it? What's the lotto number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's the lotto number? What's the lotto number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You know what? Keep on saying.
Idiot, lot number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There is 6 number in lotto plus bonus one.
Alright, idiot.
Are you father? I can't eat that. Look at you. Now run with me.
I'm going to tell you that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm foolish on me yet.
Remember run off the phone.
What you for? What you for? I never believe me. Feel that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes here now.
Yeah. You treat one better than one. No. Yeah. You say she. is your pride and joy, and you keep on cheating the black one for a toy. Hello.
Now go on.
Yeah, dude.
Come
check in.
Come pick up something.
They left here go this morning.
Well, left man come here so. Me not gonna go and come back here so. Last night you talk?
Yeah.
Last night somebody called me about some urgent, something to fix. You know how me do things? Me fix things, right? So I went to fix something and come back. When I come back here sleep. And then when we wake up in the morning, still asleep, so I say, yeah, fix the gent now, you rain and jizzle. I left and come down here to come chill out. I'll go something just drink at the shop and eat something, then I'll come up. I'll buy some food before I cook and something. So I'm going though.
Nothing, they here. Oh, me here I go on.
What you here going though?
You know, said, down at Brittany.
What down there?
Want me to say, I want to girl them down there, a deal.
Who tell the story there? How much your friend, you know? You see your friend I want to mix up, you know? Your friend want me, you know? She tells you she want me?
No, she didn't tell me.
Look for me, because I'm just a liar, I tell you no.
Me not tell no lie.
Look, but you can't look in my eye then.
Tell her when me a looking at.
Yeah, look sideways.
Me watch you one night. Me and her go down there and come straight down there and sister down there go at night time. So where and them up down there, we are deal with down there. Tell me now.
We play some domino in our house now and then we play two domino.
In a house? That me no play a door kind of house. Every night say you gone down there.
Listen now. What we do? When my brethren, they have a table inside because the place my time place violence and what go on. Is a soldier man, the man the kind of paranoid when it come to anything that go on. Them just quick fish out. So we just play two domino in there.
They well my eye not fool me. Me
I
see
go down there
myself. And me a good and go find out where go on between you and him. Between you and her down there. Me I go find out from my friend Britannica. Britannica go tell me everything.
There's nothing to find out.
They when me receive for Britannia look our Brittany sister me know.
Besides domino me a play.
They will receive for domino you play when me go down there.
But you know, I'm telling you, most of the time I come in and sleep. Right? You're tired and you sleep. I go lick two domino, I go play two domino. I don't know where I make it look like me a cheat for me. I'm not cheat for you.
They well me have an idea say you cheat for me. And me I go find out from Britannica. Britannia and go tell me everything.
How can I cheat on you when you demand so much of me? When me and you work, we work for hours. I have nothing left to give nobody more than you.
Make sure. Me still I go find out cause my mind just tell me say you do something.
You tap it to your mind.
And
your mind, you know, your friend.
They well me mind I tell me say you do something down there. Me I go down and go find out.
Nobody go down and mix up, you know. I don't like mix up. Nobody go down and mix up. The woman come down there, stay in her room. Nobody no mix up down there. No. She accused me things say if you two away there. You know what I mean? She can't do nothing, man. She can't do nothing. Everything good just. You know? Alright. Alright, me do up a shop or so. Alright, tonight baby. Tonight again, alright? Alright. Tonight. Tonight again, baby. Tonight. Alright. Love you too. You get that one drinks there.
Brittany! Yeah, girl! Wagwan!
Come.
Wagwan, come link you.
So I'll bring you up here, come get us.
Why? Sorry. I'm friend I want to come.
Oh, Keisha?
Keisha, yeah. Me trail, me and Keisha trail come down here.
Trail?
Trail! My man come down here, girl. And don't hear some man I come from.
Hey!
So me know say me a friend, you must know where I go if you can't tell me, girl. Cheer my boyfriend come down here, girl. And me cheer him, me know say something in a business, and me know say me a friend, and me a know me do say me and you. Even make me know I go on, so I go on.
Girl. Two story now one.
So tell me now.
This auntie, I sleep on night and I don't know what to place. But I have strong feelings that little girl in this, you know. She has some man I link, but I don't know which man.
She better not be my man, cause me and my man I come from far.
Anywhere man feel like girl getting beat the girl together.
And I'm dismantle her face.
I'm gonna do like the girl too.
Right. I say, girl, when I chill my man, I see my man I come down here every night when I look, I see my man feeding in my bed with me. Out of my bed, I ask my man. So I just trail him.
Trail the boy, yes. Tasha! Tasha! We need you out here. Come here. Come here, son. Awa. Which man I come look for you at night time?
I'm not big one of you. You're bright.
Girl, is it a fear money I take?
You better not take my man, girl.
Me know your man,
Far me and my man I come from, girl. I not
I
go
say,
to
any
you.
of fear money I take, we getting
Oh.
beat you. So make sure,
Say, me know a man.
Better.
just make sure it's not a fear money I take. And if a fear money I take, we get angry.
What kind of man argument out there, sir?
Not
What kind of taking a man argument
That
out
is
here,
that
sir?
me at the time. She has some man I keep me and the woman compare. Cause woman
Not Tasha.
listen to me, I don't know what taking
Not
place in
Tasha.
here.
May I tell you something? Not my Tasha.
Not your Tasha.
Are you the man that come to?
She
Right.
here.
You the man that come
Right cannot come to me. Right cannot come to me.
to? Me say, are you the man that come to? Which right?
Rasta right.
Are you the man come to? Not my Tasha.
Alright.
Not my Tasha.
Not your Tasha.
Not my Tasha.
Not your
Must-
Tasha. Right.
I see her taking her.
She
Why?
not take me, man.
Mama,
Every time you pick up for Tasha.
Every-
Every time you pick up for Tasha. Every time you pick up for Tasha. Pick up for Tasha.
Me know my daughter.
You go know if you know that one with this man clear you will know.
I want it day and night. I want it day and night. Top take people, man.
Me not take nobody, man. I'm tell you this. I say any young person she take my friend Mo again beat her. So why Miss Tasha she can feel like say she a Miss Perfect.
You want to go home, then you want to go your mama.
My mother.
Oh. I want to make sure I send you home today.
Because only is nothing good up here.
Stop it, you know, right. You're young.
You don't take people man too much money.
I'm sorry for you. When we come back to Jamaica, I'm sorry for you.
Move, you're over crying like man.
You're ring. You want
feel like-
beard. From the day you don't beard.
I feel like say
Your beard?
a jacket.
And that's why I treat you to come and feel like your mother give me jacket. Your mother brown and me have complexion and you're black.
You're ugly.
You're black.
You ugly. You ugly.
Me gonna have to carry on do some daily. I may have to do more than one daily. I can't do.
You can't be more than no you get cancer man till they dead.
Oh, me wealthy aunt. Natasha get everything. I'll make sure we tell her from now.
Any day
Natasha
Tasha breathing upon you. Hey,
Girl.
it's over.
Tasha cannot be breathe. Tasha is a doctor soon.
Tasha's a virgin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unlike you go dash your virgin over the phone cover what is it?
Yeah.
With Jackie daughter. Jackie's son.
Brittany, me never come for this for you. That is
Miss?
conversation with you and your father.
Ryan, I'm a friend,
You
but
know, say.
right now I'm mingle with my
Sasha not
daughter.
take me man. I'm
Daddy,
sure
come
you
on,
say you not take me man. Tasha take me man, but you try to make catch her with me man can make a dismantle her face. Try one your sister, one a virgin sister who say she a virgin come here, my man come from far girl. And it now go pretty. So girl, later I will link you up again and me not stop keep my eyes safe for you. I take my man girl and I'm a friend. I'm sorry.
Girl, if I me I take a mommy that tell her girl. Me take my talk fact. Me now sleep early tonight cause me want to see a fact. If I
When my man come. So later girl, we link up later, you hear?
yeah, later. This is like Tasha. Tasha. Hey, Any day that girl breathing upon the one. Make sure say that to the girl, man, here. You see, do you cook, girl?
Yo, come.
Hey!
You have to go now. Put on
Hey,
this.
how is that?
You can't diss me. I mean, bring your company with your mother. Tasha, sit, Tasha, sit. Listen, you're going, come. Out of the door.
Mr. God! No, please!
Go on to your mother. Go on to your mother, little girl. We can't control her no more. You
Yeah,
know?
wait.
Nah, make no pick the raise my pressure. You want to make money in your home. You want to make money in your home. Alright, let's see what I go on now in a John shop. Hi! In my house! No, sir!
Right? You hear me?
What you just said, girl? What you just said? Prank who? For who?
Daddy. Daddy.
No, no.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
No. I waste some money this. No. God, they put on the wrong fitness. Prank for who? Right. So the lady did right. The lady did right. When I'm not take her man. And are you?
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Look how me put my love trust in your hand. Me give everything you need. Me pay for your college fee. You never shot yet. Me pay for private car if you carry go to school. Come, me want no boy touch you. Me want you to get good education. But you come like when me try, you cannot work. Because you come like couldn't feed pan to my start, me even hide it. See, no start in the house is shown. Oh, me don't want to no ride too quick. Where the fight time get started from? You know what? Your sister come back and come stay with you. Me not stay here. I'm leaving Jamaica. You see college? You dey on your own. You're a big woman, make right. Take care, don't dash in a belly. Me not support dash your belly, but me can't call you and pick me again. I cannot do
Daddy,
that.
please.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me, because when you in your daddy house, it's mad at night time. When you never know, so me have camera set up in here. I was setting it for your black sister. And we can't say you wicked. You wicked. You make tea, you give me, I put it to sleep. You did to your sister because you don't want your sister wake. I should have did know better.
Daddy, no.
I said, don't touch me. Don't touch me. The one best friend that I sleep with, don't touch me. You know how far me and Raya come from. If I did have been gone and in there, I'd bullet him backside. I'm bullet him. And that's true, we don't want the people live without a father.
Daddy, no.
Yeah. You treat one better than one. Oh. Yeah. You say she is your pride and joy. and you keep on treating the black one for a toy. Hello, brother man, watch where you stand. The two of them are your daughter, and true one overseas are the one at Jamaica you will love after. Man, you end up done a papa. The one that you turn away will be the one to bring you water. Yeah. Say this one is your pride and joy. This one is your pride and joy. You put one over the other. No, the two of them is your daughter. You say this one is your pride and joy. And when you can't sleep, that's the man in your house to enjoy your pride and joy. Your pride and joy. When you find out what she up to, you're gonna be destroyed. Your pride and joy end up to be Rasta toy. Rasta just enjoy. Just because you're sleeping, Rasta start sneaking. But no, I'm done. It's all for fun. No, I'm done. It's all for fun. Oh boy, your pride and joy. When you can't sleep, she bring in one boy. Remember, the stone that the builder refused is gonna be the cornerstone. Now Rasta taking over your own. Your pride and joy. Your pride and joy. You treat the black one. True, she's the dance one. She's not the foreign one. But your pride and